तेरे नाम।
India is a land of villages. It is rich in nature, happiness, friendship, love, and affection. Here, there's a possibility of every life blossoming to its utmost simple beauty. In 1972, a couple named Nagamma and Chandrasekhar were blessed with a baby boy in the village Veeradini of Karnataka. As time flew, the baby grew up and looked with stunning attention to whatever he came across. Playing with his fellow mates, he turned to his youth. His intelligence questioned all the preoccupied things happening around him. Beyond this, in his solitude, he felt the boundless in him. With all these hilarious things happening within him, he completed his pre-university course and came to Bangalore to pursue his engineering in Visvesvaraya Technological University. The busy and chaotic life here made him to take the decision to quit and go back to the silence of nature. In his deep meditative period, he found the Creator within him and in every little thing that exists. He glittered with the knowledge of throbbing life within him.
महादेवी महेश्वरी रुद्रिणी दया सागरी महादेवी योगेश्वरी रुद्रिणी लिंग भैरवी.
With his unconditional love towards humanity, he serves as a solution to the people who come to him. Every problem of a person is a mixture of physical and psychological ailments. Considering this, he is in the beginning of a long journey towards serving the people in need. To channelize the spiritual power of Sri Devikananda Swami, Mr. K.V. Ravindra Babu has joined him. He is the grandson of late Mr. K. Venkataswamy, who built Chikkajogihalli as a model village that grabbed the attention of entire Karnataka in the 1970s.
ದೇವಿಕಾನಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಗಂಗಾವತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಜಾಗ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಪವಾಡಗಳು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಆ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಅರಿಯುವ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅವಕಾಶವಿದೆ. ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಆಟ.
He got married and remained untouched as Sri Devikananda Swami in his spiritual path.
ಗೋಶಾಲೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಆ ಗೋಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಗಂಡಬೊಮ್ಮನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ.
Mr. K.V. Ravindra Babu, an admiring politician, stands different because of his work towards the conservation of water and forest. The spiritual dimensions of Sri Devikananda Swami and the political actions of K.V. Ravindra Babu are the ray of hope in the rural today. He is a dreamer, a poet, a scientist, a researcher, and he is the cure. But it's high time that every person is conscious about the environment in which we are living in. You are the creator of your past, future, and absolute present. In the age of this planet, millions of years have passed, but it still remains young. From the heights of the Himalayas to the depth of the Pacific, there are living beings. There is no beginning, there is no end. It is a circle. What is born will die, and what is dead will be born again. Until we understand the game of construction and destruction, this will go on and on.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿವರ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್.
ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ದೇವ್ರ ದಯದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅದು ನೆರವೇರುತ್ತದೆ.
da